What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ayahnna and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys. First and foremost, I would like to welcome you to this video. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Ayahnna. Welcome to the Divinely Ayahnna family, where I hope you leave feeling oh so divine. So for today's video, I am having a blast. I was brainstorming with my husband and I was like, I need to bring something fun to my videos. And I was listening to a song on my Spotify playlist. So I was like, what if I found the Baltimore club version? I am from Philly, but for those of you who grew up in Philly, in my generation, we listened to Baltimore club music like everywhere we went. When we was like 18 to 21, that kind of like ended the night, you know what I'm saying? So like we would Wu-Tang, we would, like that was our thing. Baltimore club music was like a part of Philly nightlife. So I was like, I think I'm gonna bring that touch to my makeup videos. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know what creativity, what juices might flow with this when I get to edit it. And so hopefully you guys like it. And I did this pink golden color because I wanted like a pink poppin' fun color to kind of go with the vibe of the video and the theme of the video, which is crazy because I'm crazy and people know that and people love me because of that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, for subscribing. Make sure you share this video, make sure you comment below and let me know if you have any video requests. I will definitely make sure that those wishes are granted. Peace, love, and don't forget to be divine.
All the shit I've been through, he made me more of an assassin. I kill him with compassion. And baby, get they asking. Tell 'em, bounce, pull up score when I punch. 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 Bounce, tell 'em, bounce, bounce, tell 'em, bounce, bounce, pull up score when I punch. Bounce, pull up score when I punch. Bounce, tell 'em, bounce, bounce, tell 'em, bounce, baby, they asking. Bounce, pull up score when I punch. Shit I've been through, he made me more of an assassin. I kill him with compassion. And baby,